Ta-da! Okay, dug it on there and then we'll start torquing. Now we'll see if we torqued it or we just back it off.
No, we have to torque it to what was it, 89?
89?
Let's get a screenshot of it. 89 foot-pounds.
I bet you that's more than 89 already.
Maybe.
Then we'll just back it off, right?
Yeah. That's ready to go.
Turning.
Is it? Yeah, it sure is.
Too slick.
Yeah, I'll try a different approach.
How about if we put it in the wheel? You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, yep, through the, the slots.
Yep.
That's enough. We'll loosen that hook down here.
You want that. Just run it through the slot. I'm turning it this way, right? So we want to keep the bond that way, right?
This way.
It's going to turn this way.
So it's a little tighten when you do it.
See if that'll hold it.
Put it behind here.
Give it a hold, see what happens.
Let's see what you got. And you'll have to go till it comes to a stop. Oh, that's gonna give. Darn it.
No, don't.
That tension's good.
It'll give, but it'll stop giving. There you go.
39.
Yep. Now we gotta undo it, right?
Yeah, one complete turn.
So I gotta so how do I unbreak it? Just for this?
You have to flip your switch. Did you flip your?
Yeah.
Okay. This is a bunch of a problem this way, isn't it, to break it loose? Oh man. Oh come on. It's gotta get to a stop.
It will. In a minute. One turn?
Yeah. So it started about here, didn't it? Where
Yep.
it broke? Okay.
That's one turn.
To there. Okay,
Yep.
got it.
Now we gotta go. We're cooking with gas. Unconventional, but cooking with gas.
Now you gotta tighten it to 37 foot-pounds. So this will be a piece of cake.
Down.
You just hold it and it'll.
Oh, like 37.
Yeah, it's because we're gonna do the torque to yield next. That's gonna be the
37.
Yeah.
That'll probably be easy.
Whoops. Should be. Okay.
Now what do we gotta do?
Now it gets interesting. Tighten an additional 90 degrees.
That's it?
So we need to mark paint pencil thing here.
90 degrees. Is that half of 45 or more? Well, no. 45 is half of 90, right? So 1/4 of a turn.
so that one's gonna be down, that one's gonna be listen straight up. You got her, but we gotta figure out a way to really tighten this down.
Well, it'll hold the way we had it. We just gotta
but
turn it.
we're really putting it to it now.
Really?
Oh my God, 90 degrees? That's gonna be the hardest 90 degrees you've ever turned.
Nah.
It was a challenge when I had to do it. And it was on the car, you know. The engine wasn't gonna move. Let's see here, you probably had the right idea to tighten it this way too. This way. Well, we'll start. I have a hunch.
I have a hunch it's gonna spin.
We're gonna do more.
Now, you got it marked here, so I gotta...
Either the top one's gotta be over 90, or when the bottom's straight up, whatever works best for you. Oh wait, you know what?
What?
That's not gonna work.
Why?
Because the whole wheel's gonna turn. And that's not actually moving.
No, the mark is moving.
Okay.
The mark is moving, see? It's already...
Okay, against the black though, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Because you can't go by where it's at on the...
No, the mark is moving.
Okay, good.
We're getting there. Just a little bit more. Little bit more. What do you think? Is that your mark? Almost there, right? Almost there. See? It's almost there.
Okay, this paint was with this one, wasn't it?
Yeah.
So you're right. If this just goes a little bit further, it'll be...
If this mark reaches that one, then we're good.
Yeah, that'd be your...
Almost. It's at 120 foot-pounds right now. There, what does that look like? Right on it? Should I go a little
Oh,
further?
that's got maybe a little bit. Yeah, you gotta be darn near there.
Okay. It's on it.
Okay, good.
134.8
That
foot-pounds.
is plenty. That's gotta be plenty.
I just wanted people to know that.
Is your camera on?
Yeah. The grunting that you made was definitely a fantastic addition to the video.
I have all these people telling us, well, there's a tool for that, you know. Yeah,
Now we're going to see if we have to cut the strap
no,
off.
no. It's my favorite strap. We'll get it.
Maybe unconventional, but it works.
Yeah.
So we're going to unstrap this, and then we're going to start putting some more stuff on the engine. And we were really just trying to test out the tensioner and make sure it's in good shape.
Thank you for watching MACT's videos, and remember to like and subscribe. This is a Mercy Go production.